Hello good people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from or depending on the time you're watching this video. This is Shifting News and we say thank you to all those who are coming back to support us, for the continued support, for the encouragement, for the morale you always give to us. And to all our new visitors, we humbly request you to join this amazing family by subscribing, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. In this video, we are along the Waiyaki Way, so we say welcome to this exciting journey along one of the Nairobi's busiest and most dynamic roads, and that is the Waiyaki Way. Though we are starting back all the way back from Regen, and our intention is to reach the Westlands region. So prepare to view all the sights, all the views along the route. Maybe you can note some of the key landmarks. So make sure you watch this video until the end, like it, comment, because that is how we interact with you. And our journey begins in the serene residential area of Regen. That is, I hope you have watched our previous video where we were just covering the update of the underpass that was constructed at the Regen area. And the construction was done by the China Hui company. So this one is located on the outskirts of Nairobi. It's within Kiambu County, but just neighboring Nairobi city. So it's just within the Nairobi Metropolitan. And it's a peaceful suburb, a perfect escape from the busy life of the city. And it has cozy homes, local shops, and friendly community vibes. So if you walk around, that is what you're going to enjoy. And this place is predominantly residential with a mix of standalone houses and gated communities. You will also find local shops, schools, and churches catering to the daily needs of the residents. It is known for its close-knit community atmosphere where residents often know each other. I hope that is what happens in most of the residential areas. And you can also see that this area is just along the Waiyaki Way, so you have an easy access to some of the other areas like the Nairobi city center. And it's still growing, and there is potential for future development and investment opportunities in real estate, so you can decide to come invest within Regen area.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
And the next area we are going to see is the Kinoo. And that is, as we are moving along, you come to Kinoo, which is a rapidly growing suburb. And it is experiencing significant growth with new residential and commercial developments. I hope those people who live along this area, they understand it's very serene, cool. I have a friend who lives here. I hope one day I'll be able to meet him and we can have some discussions regarding the complexities, the goodness of this place. So you find it's a mix of affordable housing options, including apartments and standalone homes, and it caters various income levels. So if you come here, you'll find a house that fits your budget. And it's known for its affordable housing and lively atmosphere. And you'll also find here local markets, healthcare centers, supermarkets, shops, schools, and other educational facilities, recreational facilities, and a variety of eateries that can cater for all or to all tastes. So the area is well connected by public transport, and you can find several matatus. Those are the public minibuses, and also other buses serving this area. You know, it's just along the major A104 highway that you can use even to connect to Nairobi, to Mombasa, to Nakuru, and other places. I hope you are enjoying this video, because we are just moving along Waiyaki Way, trying to describe all the places we come along. And after Kinoo, we also have some other stop points, but now we come to Uthiru. And unfortunately, we are not digging deep inside, but some of these places we have visited. I think Uthiru, you can remember we did one of our videos when we had the house that collapsed. That was in Uthiru. So you find Uthiru has some facts that one day we will need to explore to understand how this area is. So it's a vibrant area, and it has a blend of urban and semi-urban charm that features local markets, schools, and other small businesses. So it is a key stop for public transport, making it a hub of activity. And you can see it is located just along the Waiyaki Way. Unless you dig deeper, you go inside, that's when now. But still, connectivity is very easy. So it's a blend of residential housing. You can find standalone homes, apartments, and also gated communities. And when you're visiting here, the local markets and the small businesses, you can also find other various educational institutions. So the area is convenient in terms of accessibility, because it's near the major highway. So you can easily access Nairobi city center and other places like Nakuru, Mai Mahiu, and just name them. So when you come here in Uthiru, you realize that it is a next area that is poised for further development and urbanization. So it is attracting new investments and infrastructure improvements. This is related to the fact that Nairobi is still growing. So make sure you can come here and explore. So from Uthiru you have other stopovers, then you come to Mountain View, where especially people say if you need a breath of fresh air, this is the place you can come. So it is a serene residential area that's a perfect escape from the chaos. People say Nairobi is chaotic, but in general Nairobi is a good area for people to stay. So maybe from the busy setting of the city, when you come here you feel so relaxed. So Mountain View is it has quiet estates and also some local shopping centers, so it offers a peaceful retreat for its residents. Yeah, and along this route, so once you come from Mountain View, Kangemi is the next place, a neighborhood that is always on the move. I hope this one is a fact. Those who are living in Kangemi, you can tell us, or you can also just interact with us in the comment section. Give us more details about Kangemi. And maybe a few description about Kangemi, which is a densely populated area that is found along Waiyaki Way, and it's known for its vibrant community and strong local economy. So on the right, especially before this flyover that is under construction, we have a market. Before you go inside, you dig deep inside Kangemi, where you find more other residentials and even markets, small businesses, retail shops and eateries. So from fresh produce to unique local crafts, the market here has it all. So the area offers several primary and secondary schools, healthcare centers and essential amenities such as churches and community centers. It is well served by public transport and in close proximity to major roads. So it enjoys that good connectivity to Nairobi city center. So you can find direct connection. So over the flyover near the Total station, petrol station, we have buses that ply direct to Nairobi CBD, or you can also board vehicles along the Waiyaki Way. Those that are coming from the say Kikuyu town, Zambezi area, Regen, Kinoo, you can board them here. So that means Kangemi is well connected and has a cultural diversity with the potential for further development and urbanization, which we hope will improve the living conditions and amenities of this place. And on the left, as we move, just after Kangemi, is the Loresho area. And this is a leafy suburb known for its affluent homes and lush greenery. We have done a video of Loresho. You can recheck in our playlist. You can see it. So this upscale neighborhood is home to gated communities, international schools, and the charming Loresho shopping center, though it's not along the highway. So after there, we move to other places. You can see we have I think formerly known as the CCK. That was the communication. So moving from there, we also have Nairobi School along this road. So then we come to ABC Place. This is at the James Gishuru Junction. So this is a place that is a vibrant commercial center. You can find it's an assorted mix of restaurants, offices, and retail shops. This is the beauty about Waiyaki Way. Then the next one, you can also see, as we move, you'll be seeing we have the ABSA headquarters. And we also have Safaricom House. This is the headquarters of Kenya's largest telecommunication company. This landmark is a symbol of innovation and connectivity in the heart of Nairobi. And we also have other places. You can see Nairobi Expressway as it starts rising, now moving towards the areas of Nairobi CBD, going all the way to Capital Center, Ole Sereni, Nairobi Eastern Bypass, all the way to Mlolongo. So this welcomes you to Westlands. That is where our destination is supposed to be. So Nairobi's lively commercial and business district, I think those people who lived back then in the earlier days, Westlands was a place of entertainment. So here you will find luxury malls like Sarit Center and Westgate, to even high-end hotels like Villa Rosa, Kempinski and Sankara, Nairobi. So Westlands is also the heart of Nairobi's entertainment scene, with its cinemas, clubs and diverse dining options. There is always something exciting happening here. So we hope you have enjoyed this video, and this wraps up our journey along Waiyaki Way. We started from the peaceful suburbs near, that is the Regen area, and we have come up to Westlands. This road truly captures the essence of Nairobi's vibrant spirit. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting adventure. Thank you and see you in our next video.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.